Okay, so here's our parallel line lesson. So let's talk about some vocab. So what are vertical angles? Yeah. So vertical angles, go ahead. Uh-huh. Wait, wait. No, no. So there's no such thing as having one vertical angle. I mean, any angle can be kind of a vertical angle. But a pair, you have they come in pairs. And I kind of think of it like this, like here's a V for vertical. There's the word vertical. And if you just extend this out like this, and extend this out like this, then this angle right here is vertical to this angle right here. And then this angle right here, I'm going to use a different color, is vertical to this angle right here. Okay, and vertical angles are equal to each other. So here, what is the name of this angle right here? What would you call that angle? Angle C, you said CDB? Well, so you did F, no. So this angle right here, you're right in the sense that like the middle one, you want it to be the one you're interested in. So like we're interested in D right here, because it's right by D, and you have the D right there. So that's right. But you want to go like, you can say it's either C, D, B, or B, D. Wait, I did it totally wrong, by the way. C, D, G, or G, D, C. Let me say it again. So you want to go C, D, G, or G, D, C. How come you can't just call it angle D? That would be pretty convenient. And we would just call it angle D. Exactly. It's a point that connects to a bunch, because there is no clear angle D. Now, if I had something like this, and this was like A, D, C, then there's only one angle D. I can call it angle D, no problem. What else could I call this angle right here if I wanted to? I can call it angle D for sure. What else could I call it? Yep, angle CDA. And see how the D is in the middle because that's the one we're interested in? And then what is the other way to call it? ADC. Perfect. So then one more time. What do you call this angle in red right here? Angle what? This one that I'm shading in green. What's that? CDG, or you can call it angle what? GDC, yeah, GDC. Okay. And vertical, even though this isn't the vertical question, actually let's just go to the vertical question. I think alternate interior, supplementary, vertical. All right. So which angles are vertical angles? All right, well, you can pretty much get them from anywhere. So let's just get two angles that are vertical. Like, for instance, there's the V, right? There's the V. You could think of it as just an X. It really is just wherever you have an X. So if you have yourself your X, you got your vertical angle. There is a vertical angle in an X. So if you have that, that's vertical to that, and that is vertical to that. You understand? Okay, so where's our vertical angles in this one here? Yeah, because it's asking for vertical angles. Okay, angle Q R and angle what? WUV. Okay, let's check it out. So angle QRP, QRP. All right, cool. And then angle WUV. W. Wait, no. They have to connect at a point. They're not connecting at a point. So the other one would be here. See, so they have. So what would be this one? What would be that yellow one right there? Yeah, angle URS. Okay, what's another pair? Angle TUW. All right, so TUW, which is right there. And what else? Angle VUR. VUR. I don't like my U. VUR. Cool. So, do you get vertical angles? You understand? Okay, in vertical angles, like, what is the relationship? Like, let's say this is, you said QRP. Oh, let's see the second one. This. So TUW. Let's say that's 20 degrees right here. Then what can you say about this guy? Oh, also 20 degrees. Do you also, okay, perfect. By the way, do you know what this is right here? If that's 20 degrees? Uh-huh. 160? Which one? The one I'm marking right here? Yep, that's 160. Why? Perfect, yeah, because they form a line, which is 180. Okay, so that's it for vertical angles. Let's go back to alternate interior, which is what this one is right here. Okay, so what are alternate interior angles? Okay, so what would you say? What are so? Which ones do you think are vertical? I mean, which ones do you think are alternate interior here? F G I. Okay, so that one. F G I. B D E. No. That one and that one? No. So you can kind of think of it like this. Think of it as like you have a road. Okay, and we're looking at it from the top. So here's your road, and we're looking at it from like a bird's perspective, like an airplane. And we're looking down on buildings right here. These are stores, and some stores over here. Okay, and this right here is this is the interior of the road. Do you see that? All right, so where the buildings are and where the sidewalk is, which would be this area over here, that's considered the exterior. The interior is where the road is. Okay, so if I draw my transversal like this, I would like to change the color of my transversal. All right, so if I draw my transversal like this, then any of these angles that are here, that angle, or this angle and this angle, those are considered interior angles. These guys are considered exterior angles because they're not in the road. You see that? Okay, so, and what does the word alternate mean, or alternate? What does that mean? I kind of think of it as meaning like switching, like back and forth. Switching back and forth. Okay? So if you can think of someone like hopping. So if you're hopping, you're gonna hop like over the transversal, and you're gonna go there, and then you're alternating. So you went across the way and you went over there. Those are alternate interior angles. That's very different than same side interior angles. Same side means they're on the same side of the transversal. So same side interior angles are here and here. See? They're on this. You see the road? Oh, you didn't see it? You didn't see it before? Here's the road. What do you mean the actual picture? Oh, and here. Yeah, cool. Okay, so alternate interiors means you're switching. You're still in the interior, but you're switching. You're switching from one side of the, what's it called? One side of the transversal to the other. You're like flipping to the other side over here. Okay? And actually, if you kind of think about it, wait, would that be right? Oh, never mind. That would be wrong. Okay, so yeah, so alternate interior angles are the same. That means those two are exactly the same. So that those right there are your alternate interior angles. I would, let's see, hold on. Do you get that? FGD, let's see here. You said, wait, angle FGD, FGD. Okay, that's definitely in the interior. And then angle, what's the other one? I'm going to mark it like this. Say it again. Yeah, GDE. That's right. And angle GDE. Yep. That would be alternate interior as well. What are another pair of alternate interior angles? So that's one pair. Go ahead. HGD, so angle HGD. HGD, all right. And angle, and what? CDG. Perfect. Okay, and then there's also something called alternate. By the way, so alternate interior angles are equal. So, like if this right here is 60 degrees, if the measure of that angle, what is the measure of this angle right here? If this one here, angle HGD is 60 degrees, what's the measurement of angle CDG? 60 degrees, because alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, you also have alternate exterior angles. Let's talk about that. And let's see if there's even a question on alternate. Wait, let me box this. So this is alternate interior. And kind of just like going back, I guess let's just, for a second here. I know what I'll do. I'll just redo this problem. Okay. There's our road. And let's just change it. Let's say instead we want to find what are the, alternate exterior angles now. exterior angles. And by the way, the alternate exterior angles are equal. And on the road, on this road diagram, they're going to be off into the sidewalk area, right? They're not going to be in the road. So the other one would be right here. You see how it alternates over the transversal? And you see how the other one is here. Kind of hard to see it with that color, but the other one would be here and here. Those are alternate exterior angles. So, and they are the same exact measure. So, with each other. So the greens have the same measure and the pinks have the same measure. Okay, so what are their alternate exterior angles in this example here? IGH. All right, so IGH and what? CDB. Okay, so an angle CDB. All right, so those are definitely alternate exteriors, and then you would mark them like that. What are the other alternate exteriors? Angle BDE. So where's BDE? Okay, so that's right here. And where's the other one to that one? FGI, yeah. FGI. Cool. Okay, let's move on to adjacent angles. So, what does the word adjacent mean? Kind of connected. It means next to. The word adjacent means next to. Okay, so I have a neighbor, like here's my house, let's say, right? And we have a neighbor here, and a neighbor here. This house is adjacent to my house, and this other house is also adjacent to my house. Does that make sense? Adjacent means next to. All right, so there's a couple ways you can see adjacent angles. One way is to see it like this. See, so if I have 30 degrees right here, or not even, if I just go like angle A, B, C, I'm going to put a D right here, D, which angles are adjacent to each other? Angle A, B, C, and angle C, B, D. All right, which name two adjacent angles in here? In this situation here. N, N-O-L. All right, so angle N-O-L. And what's the other one? L-O-P. Yeah. Angle L-O-P. And there's other names that you can give those to. You could say that they're a linear pair because they come off the same line. And they also add up to what? Those particular ones. Yeah, those guys add up to 180. Okay, let's talk about, wait, we already did alternate interior. Supplementary. So, do you know which angles are supplementary? You kind of said if they're on the same line, right? I remember you saying that. So, are these guys supplementary? Yep, those are supplementary. Are these guys supplementary? No, they're equal. Those are vertical angles. Are these guys supplementary? No, what are those called? Alternate means you're hopping over the transversal. You're doing like a hop from one end of the road to the other, like diagonally, like a diagonal hop. Do you understand the hop? Are those guys hopping across the transversal? Are they crossing the transversal? No, your transversal is right here. They're on the same side. A hop would be if you went like, here's a little person right here, and that little person was like Nope. They are corresponding angles. That means they're the exact same angle on the same side of the transversal. In fact, I could have like somebody here relaxing, just kind of chilling on this angle right here. Wait, I kind of want to erase this background. So you can have a person right here laying down on this angle, and all you got to do is go like that. Wait, go like that, and go bloop, and that person's there. It's the same angle, and it's on the same side of the transversal. So corresponding means like they go with each other. Ooh. So there they are. And then you could have like upside down, squished angle, like really uncomfy hanging out positions. But that would be, that angle would correspond to that angle. See that? Those are corresponding angles. Okay, but supplementary, there's two situations. Is if they are off the same line, like see how this, if you have one of these dealios, where you have an angle here and then another angle there, that's supplementary. Because it has to make a complete, it has to, together they form all the angles of the line, which is 180. You see, so supplementary would be these two blue ones right here. Those guys, those are supplementary. See right here? These would also be supplementary, and these would be supplementary, and these would be supplementary. But there's one more that's not obvious, or less obvious, I guess, and that's the same side interior. Same side interior angles. Yes, but they're in the interior, which means they're on the road. Same side interior angles are supplementary. Okay, so what's an example of a same side interior angle? LMP, okay, so angle LMP, which is this one, nope. It has to be on the same side of the transversal. Yeah, OPM. Angle OPM. So, and you remember when you were studying parallelograms? Okay, so in parallelograms, I don't know if you learned this or not, but if this is a parallelogram, okay, so that's parallel to that, and that's parallel to that. These two angles right here, they add up to 180. Did you know that? On a parallelogram, so if you have a parallelogram, so if I'm going to go like right here, yeah. If I draw this parallelogram like that, so that parallelogram, let me see. Yeah. That this angle plus this angle adds up to 180. Yep. And look at this. Watch this. Do you see it's right there? You see that right here you have a parallelogram if you finish it off. If I go like this, I go like that, I can go and make a parallelogram. And you see how this right here would be like these two angles right here. See, so these blue ones right here, what do they add up to? 180. So same side interior angles of these parallel line guys are supplementary. They add up to 180. You got that? Okay. And vertical corresponding. All right, so let's review corresponding really quick. Which two are corresponding right here? C, where's that? EFC right here, and angle what? Angle BCA, BCA, right there. Very good. Give me some other corresponding angles. Angle HFG, HFG, and angle AC, ACD, ACD. And one way to double check is think of the person that's relaxing, like by the pool. Is that person like in a comfy reading the magazine position, or did that just chair malfunction and they're in a squished position? You want them to be in both comfy positions or both squished positions. And if you look here, you have a comfy position right here, but over here you have a squished position. So you don't want that. That's how you know you're wrong. Well, they got to be on the same side, but H, so it would be right here. So no, you say A. Did you say ACD? Let me go back. Wait. So this one here would be FCD, or it would be DCH. But ACD would be this one up here, which is squished position guy versus comfy position guy. FCD. You got that? So these are the other ones. Well, I mean, there's more than just those, but yeah, because you also have these two are also corresponding. You see, and then also like, well, this shouldn't be here, but these two here are corresponding. Okay, and last question. Which are vertical angles? UVX, wait, UVX, okay, and angle Q, yes, that would work. QVW, I probably would have started with the SVW, but QVW is not wrong. QVW is fine. Cool, any questions with these guys? Yeah, definitely. Well, think about the road. That'll help you with the interiors and the exteriors. Sure. You're welcome.